Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't.
That's okay. How many people?
A table for two, please.
There is a short wait. About 5 minutes.
That's fine. I always feel a little, uncomfortable waiting here. What do you mean? Start thinking about how to say things. I mean, the menu. The order. Everything.
Your table is ready.
Hi, I'll be your server tonight. Can I get you something to drink?
Water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please. Take your time.
Here's your water. And here's the menu. Whenever you're ready.
Everything looks so good. I can't decide. That's a good problem. What's an appetizer? Something small before the main dish.
Do you have any questions?
Yes. What's the special today?
The grilled salmon. It's very popular.
Does come with a side dish?
Yes, vegetables or rice.
Sounds good. What do you recommend?
The soup is very fresh. A lot of people start with that.
Okay, let's get the soup first.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the steak for my main.
How would you like it cooked?
Medium, please. And no onions. She has an allergy.
No problem. Would you like anything extra?
No, that's all. Ordering was easier than I thought. Because you didn't rush. You listened.
Here's your food. Would you like anything else?
Thank you. Everything looks perfect. Excuse me, could I get the check, please?
Of course. How would you like to pay?
Card.
All right, please insert your card. Thank you.
I was able to order on my own. You did great.